Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in today's puzzle page of Saturday, November the 11th, 2023. Already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, and the binary. And it's time now for the Tectonic, aka JigsawSudoku number 7432. 7432. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. So I think it's a 1-star puzzle. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if I can manage this. So let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. See here, single box. There, single box, always a 1. Let me put the 1 there. Alright. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? See here, dual box there, dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And here, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple box? Oh, wait, we have another dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Cannot see any triple boxes here, but I see here quadra box. This is the next question. Do we have here quadra boxes contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4? Well, we have here quadra box, here also a quadra box. Okay, 2 quadra boxes. These 3 boxes, surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box should be there. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box. 1 number is 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Okay. Here also. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. I need to wait. Insufficient information. Well, next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And we have here one shape. Let me draw this shape, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember, this T shape is rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. But also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 2 or a 4 here. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, the T shape, only one T shape, then the following shape. How about the L shape? It's rotated here also. The L shape, let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? This shape, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Of course, it's already filled in, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here only 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Here we have 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 1 numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. I mark this box with 2 or a 4. Well, we have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 to 5, 4 to 5. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Then, this box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers, again, 4 to 5, 4 to 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. Then. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. But also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Alright. So the only place left for the 1 should be here. In this quadra box. Okay. And now, I think this box should be a 1. Because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 1. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 to 5, 4 to 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 to 4, 3 to 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this quadra box could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Okay. Then, let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. Come on. This is taking too long. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Well. Come on. I'm thinking. How about? Well, this box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, so 4 or the 5, okay. Well, that means that this box can be a 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 2 anymore. We have a double 2 there. And this box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quarter box should be here. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 4. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there then. Alright. And now we have a 2 here. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 or a 5, we have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4. So 1 box left in this area for number 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Well, these 3 boxes around the 4 can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 1 because can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. Then I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 to 4, 3 to 4. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. I think this box should be 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be 4. Can we have 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. We go up. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be in, the 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. Yes, and we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow on Sunday. So have a great and fantastic Saturday, Singles Day. Until then, bye-bye for now.